Welcome back, guys. So after we've spoken about these different webmaster tools, but we have something called a sitemap, which we needed. It's always in an XML file, but we can get it here on AIO. So how do we get it? So we're going to go to different search engines from Google Search Console. So we're going to see how to insert this sitemap. So we have Google Search Console, we have Bing Webmaster Tool. Yes, Bing Webmaster Tools. So we have that as well. So we're going to access everything from Google Search Console to Bing Webmaster Tool. So let's see how we can go about adding sitemaps. So you could come to sitemaps right here. You could see the search performance, how many people clicked on your website and all that. So let's come to sitemaps. So we could add sitemaps. So no sitemaps is 10. So all I want to do, as you can see, there is a sitemap right here. So let's come to the main all-in-one SEO. So you can get your sitemaps right here. Come to here, you see sitemaps. So let's get our sitemaps right here. So here is the sitemap. So you'll be able to enable sitemap, and here we have the enabled sitemap and everything. So we have everything right here. So how do you get your sitemap? So let me open the sitemap here and preview it. So here is the sitemap. So you could come right here to check your sitemap right here. So this is your sitemap. Yeah, so the sitemap iterates everything about your website, from the large creative studio to about us to career to courses to the services you'll be offering. So you could see right here we have everything intact. So you have your sitemap right here. All you have to do is to copy the sitemap. I'm going to copy it right now, and you could come paste it right here. So you could say you want to submit your sitemap, and you come right here to submit it. All I have to do is to click on submit, and it's going to be submitted right now. So I'll be able to submit that sitemap, and let's see how it goes. So you could submit on different platforms. So that's for Bing Webmaster 2, this is for Google Search Console, and we're going to add the sitemap right here. So let me paste it, Ctrl V. So it's going to be .com page sitemap. Yes, I'm going to submit it right here. So I'm going to submit this particular sitemap right now, and that's what I just did. And it says it couldn't fetch it. So let's see, and yeah, these are sitemap right here. So we have 6 discovered pages, and you could open your sitemap and see it right here. So those are the pages that was indexed, and let's come back to sitemap, and here we are. So we'll be able to add that sitemap to Google Search Console, and that's how you go on and on. Anywhere you need a sitemap, you can always get your sitemap here on all-in-one SEO. So we have more websites where you try to add your sitemap. So check them out. Come to your general settings and come to your webmaster tools to see where to add your sitemap. That's how to get your sitemap link and add it to different webmaster tools. I hope to see you in the next lesson. See you there.